Cheers. It's Negroni week, and today I figured it would be a good time to talk about our mental health. Negroni mental health. Take all the bitters in your life and just pour them out. Take all that bitterness in your life, pour it out over a nice cold glass of rocks here. Take those bitters, all that bitterness, and you're gonna sweeten it up a little bit, okay? Just try to think of the sweet things in life that you've got. 1 ounce of each of these, okay? And then you're gonna take a flowery, floral, lots of things dancing all over in your mind, so all the happiness, gin, and you're gonna do 1 ounce of that. Pour it on top into there as well. You're gonna mix it all together. You're gonna dilute that bitterness so much so you can get rid of all that bitterness, sweeten it up, get some dancing florals on your tongue. You're a diamond in the rough, okay? So, take a diamond, ice cube, throw it on top there, julep strainer, and pour that right on top. Then you're going to get your orange peel, you're going to zest it on the inside there, flip it around the rim, throw that in, and here you have your Negroni. Here's to Negroni week. It really does take all the bitterness out of my mind. It gives me that sweet, florally, happy sensation. This is a drink that is well worth your time. It's Negroni week. Get your gin, get your Campari, get your sweet Vermouth in the fridge, and put them all together. 1 for 1 counts. This is a good drink to have this week.